Hey YouTube, got a new tarp, Terra Nova. This one it was, not to the life, 60 quid. Only weighs 0.2 of a kilogram, and well, I'm a ground dweller, so I'm not really into big tarps. The size is 250 centimetres by 150 centimetres. Hang on, so I can't wait to get out and get trying this. Also, I'm needing a bit of help here. My last video I uploaded was on this, so Xperia Mini. If anyone's got one, can you tell me how to make the videos last longer? After 11 seconds it cuts off and is totally useless for making videos. So if anybody can help me in that one, if you've got one of these and you can make your videos longer, be very much appreciated, and thank you very much. Okay, all the best, Kenny.